let's go check it out. I've already seen it, and I've already got a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Bypass. Oh, wait. Oh. I only played in the lab version. Wait. Oh yeah, here's a clip of me getting that. 3, 2, 1, now. Yeep, 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 yeep. Yeep, 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 yeep.
Thank you!
Wait,
Who won?
let me do my quest. Wait, let me do my quest.
Surfboard.
Let's go! I did it!
Me! Who wants a surfboard?
Me!
Since you're paying attention. Mister, you forgot your trip! Mister!
Wait.
I forgot my drip. Hold on.
What?
Oh yeah. K-pop onto cartoon.
It's so cool! It's so cool! Look! Look, it's so cool! Wait, look! It's so cool! It's so cool! It's so cool!
Oh, did you just get lab rat? Did you just get lab
Yeah,
rat?
I also got the content creator.
Yo, that's sick!
Wait. I'm taking out my jacket.
I can't wait to...
How'd you like it? Was it good? I don't know. That's probably why. But wait, no. Why? Where am I going? Where am I going? Wait. Wait. Gotta put on my movie. In here. Ooh. I don't know if it looks better or not. So yeah, there's a lot of secrets in here. With the wiring stuff. Let's get a key really quick. Key. Fast. Okay, now that you're here, I already got that book coin. The book coin is stashed in there. You wanna get a purple key? I'll show you how to get that purple key. Right. So, well, come over here. I'm gonna jump right up to that. But right now, I know another book coin stash right here. It should be like in here, right there. So yeah. But let's get the purple key. And did it wrong. If you hear that noise, then you did it right. You just want to come in here. Oh, that's okay. You would hear like a key drop. Get the key. There's nothing in these pillows. There's just a gnome, but he doesn't have a book coin stash on him. And I'm gonna go here. It's funny. Drop down. Put it in there. And you can go in. No. You can go in here. Get the book coin. If no one knows how to get the purple key, it's a good camping spot. It's in here. Just crawl in the chest, I guess. Oh, I guess I just completed the challenge. But yeah. Oh, don't touch the stuff down there. Let's grab it. Oh, darn it. Get this key. Come in here. Crawl up here. Yeah, it should be a little book on this right there. that's like all I know of the buckcoin stashes. But yeah, that's a new wiring update. Very cool. 46. So here's like everything on here. Right now, me and Jack are making a map, so I'm gonna need to get to the key dispenser. I'm gonna be getting this soon too. So it also goes well with the map that we're making. Oh, come here. So yeah. That's like the new update. Here's like a little hiding spot that you can go in. Wait. I need to mess this. No, don't do that. There we go. Yeah. This is like a smiley face. Cool little way to like express that. How to use all this stuff as like these test labs like right here. So you might need 2 people for this, but if you hit every single button like really fast, then you'd get a key. So another cool way to express how to use these. These teleporters I think are like really cool. Such a good idea of using these. Cause like this was like the first time I've like used these too. So I just like how like the mechanics work. So yeah. That's how you get the purple key, the red key, and like some buckcoins, don't know them all, sadly. But yeah. Very cool. Yeah, there's also a white key, which here, I'm gonna get that really quick. Speed run. All you do is to get this, press all the buttons right there. Just open this. Get that little cool thing, and then in here. I don't know if there is a buckcoin over here. You wanna go like up here and stuff. Open this, and you're right here. So yeah. It's pretty cool of an update, I would say. Oh yeah, there also is like a temporary wilds right here. It's like a nice little plain map. And like, there's like all the bluffs that I have so far. I don't have much, but Tech Web is not that expensive this time. So, yeah, pretty cool. Have a great time. See you next time. And yeep.